Hello fellows, how are you? I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this video I'm going to show you the beautiful real estate template React.js latest version. Fully responsive and very beautiful look. So guys, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates of friends. Here we go. So let's see the beautiful real estate template in React.js. You can use it as well, Next.js as well. So here we go, beautiful template. And also if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also please contact me via my blog therichpost.com. Contact us page. In this page you will have my email ID, WhatsApp number and Upwork ID as well. I am full-time freelancer. So here we go. We're back to the real estate website template. So here we go. See guys, the beautiful top section, see, just brilliant. Button web as well. Now the hero section, just brilliant. See friends. Advanced search. Beautiful section as well about the company for real estate. Feature properties, friends, see. Why invest or why choose a section. Our projects, brilliant. Smart investment, Houston Park, contact section and footer. Scroll to the top. So guys, see the beautiful real estate template. Yes, React.js as well. So friends, after it I will come with more demos, and if you want or any work, then just ping me. I am fully available. So in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.